Hey guys, it's Hayden here at Freedom Homes. I want to show y'all one of our most popular single wides. It's the Maximizer. This is an awesome little house. It's a 16 by 56, 2-bed, 2-bath. It is from our Waco 1 factory. This house is unique because it has the smart panel siding on it, so you're more durable to your high winds and hail. All you have to do is just paint and seal it about every 7-10 years. We'll come on in here. Look at this cute little thing. Like I said, it's a 16 by 56, so pretty standard size for a 2-bed, 2-bath home. So nothing too crazy. But man, this is probably one of my favorite houses. You got your guest room over here. This is really good size. This house is energy smart, so you have upgraded insulation, R33 in the ceiling, R22 in the floor. I love how this carpet feels here in this bedroom. It's real soft, feels real nice walking around, but you do get the linoleum throughout the home, so you can put down a nice rug, you can tailor it, but it'd be real easy to clean. I mean, we're walking in, because we're on a gravel lot, but you can get a Swiffer wet jet and just come right through and just clean that up, probably 10-15 minutes. Another thing is this house has a programmable thermostat since it's a part of the Energy Smart, so you can actually program your thermostat to come on and off whenever you're either home or away. Helps save you some more money. This is your guest bathroom, so pretty good size. You got a shower tub combo, fiberglass, commode, sink, and you got a little storage down here as well. Come on over here. We have the kitchen, dining, living area. It's kind of all one, but you still get your separation throughout it. Real big sitting area over here. Your home will come with your appliances, the range, dishwasher, fridge. That'll all come with the home. I love this window looking out from the sink. If you're doing dishes, you can kind of look out. These cabinets, they're really nice cabinets. They're Duracraft cabinets, so they're scratch and water resistant. Basically, you're getting the real wood look without having to pay for that real wood price. Saves you more money. And another great little feature is this pantry storage area. I mean, that's just a wall of cabinets, and that's just a ton of storage right there. Open it up, let you see. Nice little storage in there. You'll come around. You have a rear entry door with the cottage style door, so you have a window you can look out. And then this is where your utilities are going to hook up at. We just staged some chairs here, but you have the main water shut off, so if you did have a leak, you'll be able to just come over here, cut it off, and fix your leak. Move on. We'll come over here. I'll show you the master bedroom. This is a huge room. I mean, wow. It's just awesome. It has your ceiling fan in it. It's a really nice ceiling fan too. I love these windows. They're low E thermal windows, part of that Energy Smart package. These windows are just awesome. I mean, this house, it's 45 degrees outside. It feels like 32 in here. It's cold. We'll come in here. This is your master closet. Flip on the light. Nice little walk-in master closet. For a 2-bedroom, this is great storage. And I love this. You don't see this in very many single wides. You get a walk-in shower, fiberglass, really nice. You got your commode and your master vanity. And I love this pantry storage that they give you as well. You can call it a linen storage. It's your home. You call it whatever you want. But this is the Maximizer. Like I said, it's 2-bed, 2-bath, 16 by 56. This is one of our sale homes for the tax season sales savings event. Definitely need to come by and get this one because it will be gone quick and you won't find a deal like this anywhere. So come on by, 9516 East Admiral Place, Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're on the southwest corner of the Mingo Admiral Traffic Circle. You can check us out online, freedomhomesofTulsa.com. All right, thanks guys.